Get into the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Dodge Grand Caravan, the quintessential 7-seat minivan that has the power, safety features, and lush amenities to make your road trips and projects a breeze. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You'll rediscover the fun of the road trip in the family-friendly Grand Caravan. Come in for a test drive today.